Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Figma frames to Canva. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Figma file containing the frames you want to transfer. Select the frame you would like to export. Navigate to the right panel and ensure that export is activated. Click on the plus icon to add an export setting if it's not already enabled. Choose the desired file format, typically PNG or JPEG. Once you have selected the format, click on the Export button. Name your file appropriately and choose where to save it on your computer. Open Canva in your web browser and log into your account. Select the design type that fits your project needs. In the Canva editor, locate and click the Uploads tab on the left side. Click on the Upload Media button. Find the exported frame file on your computer and select it. Wait for the upload to finish, and you will see the uploaded file in the Uploads section. Drag and drop your uploaded frame onto your Canva design. Resize and position the frame as necessary to fit your project. Repeat these steps for additional frames as needed. Finalize any design adjustments and save your Canva project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.